Make a great choice today with the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find ventilated front seats, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.